Veg Pulav, or we call it Lun Wale Chawl in Punjabi. We take a bowl of rice, wash twice and soak for 1 or 2 hours. Take oil in cooker, add hing, cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add chopped onions, 1 chopped green chilli, curry leaves powder, ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Then add tomato, potato, grated carrot, green peas and mix it. You can add any other vegetables available at the time. We add salt, turmeric, red chilli powder, garam masala, kasuri methi. Mix it and then we'll add the soaked rice and roast them for a minute. We add 2 glasses of water. Add chopped coriander leaves and juice of half a lemon. Cook for 1 whistle. Open the cooker only when all the pressure has been released. Wow, so nice. We mix it once again so that all the vegetables mix up evenly. Serve hot with desi ghee, bundi raita, or you can also serve with pickle as well. Enjoy.